Why am I doing this? Why do I bother? Maybe your friends are watching you do it. They're constantly asking you, why are you bothering? What do you get out of it? As you get into YouTube, you'll find that doubt can creep in at all times. Now, whether it's a little bit of self-doubt, you're not seeing as many viewers as you'd hoped. No one's subscribing to your channel. You seem to be putting a lot of effort in, but you're not getting much return. You start to doubt, why am I doing this? Why do I bother? Maybe your friends are watching you do it. They don't understand. They're not interested. They're constantly asking you, why are you bothering? What do you get out of it? I've been through that. Still do have times where I'm thinking, what am I putting all this effort in and I don't see much return? But you're doing it because you want to do it. You want to do it. There's a certain amount of self-satisfaction. You actually enjoy doing it. Doubt can be used against you, can be used for you. As soon as you doubt, it makes you think. Making you think is a good thing. You're looking at what you do. Are you doing the right things? Have a little check. Are you still on message? A day like today in the UK here, it's actually middle of winter. It's gloomy. That can make you feel a bit down, make you feel this is not the time I want to be doing these videos. But why not? Come out like I'm doing now. Go for a little walk. Out with the dog. Good thing about a dog, you can always say what you want to them and they agree with you. There he is waiting for me. So, yeah, come out for a walk. Put your warm clothes on like I have now. Put a bright hat on, might cheer you up. But it'll clear your head and you'll realise, I'm doing this because I want to do it. I don't really care what anyone else thinks. And that includes the big wide world out there. If you keep on message and you keep putting out what you enjoy putting out, YouTube will find viewers for you all of a sudden. So don't doubt yourself, keep at it. Keep making videos, keep learning, keep improving. And I'll see you in the next one.